Hi everyone, my name is Festo. I'm so excited to bring to you this new video of mine. I'm going to be unboxing some product from Jumia. I recently thought about it, so I should be making my unboxing videos. This is a Jumia product that I received a few hours ago, so I'm going to unbox it. So I'm always thrilled to show you these unboxing videos, so that you can also begin doing what I do, like shopping from Jumia. So this is my packaging. I just received it from their agent. This was a free delivery using MTN Momo. So this is the shipping. This is the shipping invoice. It is going to act as my receipt. They are kinda strong, so these are some documentations. Returns customer copy, and here is my product. We've got a comb. This is a comb. And also some blades. Also some screw. So we have some blades here. Adjustable blades for adjusting the height of that. Also, this is a wall clipper cope. I don't understand this, but let me go ahead and see them. This is wall clipper cup. So there is a brush inside there. 13mm blade, 1.5 inches, made in USA. Then let me go to the device itself. This is a fuse plug. Cable seems to be very long. Fraction for user manual. So strong cable. This is our machine right here. So it is a wall super taper, very similar to the one in the app. So I'm going to be using a picture-in-picture about the screenshot, so for the item on their app right away. So here it is, pretty brand new. So keep blades oiled. Here we go. So this is the machine. It has almost 1 kilogram, so it's heavy in my hand. So adjusting knob to adjust automatically. Switch for turning on and off. So pretty easy to use, very comfortable. We've got some documentations. Inside this box have warnings and dangers, coded clippers and maintenance, and also care, and also product warranty. So these are the user manuals. If you're out there and you're still wondering about online shopping, so Jumia is right here for you to ease your life, since they have almost everything you want, from home accessories, office, and most of them. So let me put them back properly. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're out there and found this video useful, so give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, and also tell your friends about shopping with Jumia. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.